All right, 8th grade math. This is lesson 28, using mean, median, and mode. All right, this is lesson 28, using mean, median, and mode. We have a couple of reminders. So the mean is the average, add the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. We have this reminder, the median is the middle number when the data is in numerical order. The mode is the number that appears most often in data. Doing this problems over here, it says the mean age of the workers in Division A of a company is 34.2. In Division B, the ages of the workers are 20, 42, 36, 21, 19, 39, and 25. How much older or younger is the average mean age of Division B than the Division A? Round the numbers to the nearest tenth. It says we need to solve this problem in 2 steps. First, we have to find the mean of the ages in Division B. And it says that we can use a calculator if we want. So we have our numbers for Division B. We're going to add them up. They get 202. Go through it twice. Make sure you get the same number twice. Then you divide by the number of numbers, which was 7. So you get 28.857142286. That rounds to 28.9. It says compare the mean age with the given mean for Division A. The mean age of Division B is younger. So we subtract 34.2 Division A minus 28.9 Division B, and we get 5.3. The Division B employees are on average 5.3 years younger than the Division A employees. Now, problem number 2 says 10 years ago, the median age of the workers in Division A was 22. How much older or younger is the median age of the workers in that division? Well, median, you have to put your numbers in order from smallest to largest. And when I go through, I count them going from the top to the bottom. And when I get it, I have one number in the center, which is 25. So I'm going to take 25 minus 2, which is 3. So the median age today is 3 years older. So they've labeled their problem. So make sure you get notes down. So Dr. Lopez's receptionist kept track of how much time the doctor spent with each of the 10 patients one day. Here are the times that he spent. It says based on the mean time spent with each patient, how many patients can Dr. Lopez see in 4th hour? All of this work is done on the next page. So it says find the mean time per patient. So you're going to add this information up and then divide by 10. One of the things that I can't emphasize enough is add these numbers up twice. Well, when I added them up, I got 102. I re-added them, I got 102 again. So now I'm ready to divide by 10. And when I take 102 divided by 10, I get 10.2. Now, part B says change 4 hours to minutes by taking 4 times 60, which is 240. So now it says divide the minutes, 240, by the mean time per patient, which was 10.2. And when I do that on my calculator, I get 23.52941176. Well, he can't see a half of a person, so it's going to be about, I'm going to write the word about, 23 patients, and I'm going to label it for my final answer, and that's an N. All right. Now, on the exercises, you are going to read through these. You're going to figure out what it's asked. It gives you some hints on some of them, and you're going to get an answer. So you need to do 2, 3, and 4. Then you're going to also do problem number 5 in the application. It's definitely a 2-step. This one is write a paragraph, so at least a sentence, if not 2. Now, don't forget, or finish the assignment. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when done. Good luck and have fun.